Welcome to Teach Tech channel. Let us start session 10. In session 10, I am going to explain about Python operators. What are operators in Python? Operators are the symbols that operates the variables. So we substitute some values for our variables and we try to evaluate those variables with the help of a symbols called operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, and many more such operators are used in a Python programming language. Let us try with an example. Print 2 plus 5. So it gives you the result as 7. This is how your Python programming language supports the operator such that you can evaluate the result of the variables. Now we are going to learn the different operators supported in a Python programming language, and they are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, logical operators, comparison operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. So these are the different type of operators or symbols supported by Python programming language to operate the operands. Now let us learn a few arithmetic operators supported in Python programming language, and these arithmetic operators called addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential value, and floor division. The expressions are given as an example. So if you want to execute these expressions, let us try an example. You can assign the values to a variable, some different values. Now you can go for print function and use the following expression, that is x plus y. It gives you addition of the values of x and y, that is 10 plus 15 is 25. Now you can use the subtraction arithmetic operator and it gives you minus 5 as a result. The same way we can go for multiplying the two values of x and y using a multiplication operator, and it gives you, that is 10 into 15 is 150. Next, if you want to go for the division, you can do the division by using x division symbol by y. It gives you the quotient of the values 10 divided by 15. Next we have the modulus arithmetic operator. If you want to extract the remainder of the two values, then you can use the modulus symbol denoted by percentage. So this will give you the remainder of the two values 10 as well as 15. Next, the same way, if you want to find the exponential values, that is we can use a double asterisk symbol like 2 double asterisk 2, that is 2 to the power of 2, it gives you answer as a 4. The same way you can test for some other exponential value, that is 2 exponential, that is 3. When you go for 2 power 3, it has to give 8 as an answer. The same way the Python supports one more additional unique feature arithmetic operator, that is floor division, where it gives you only integer part of the division operation as a result. Like for example, we go for print double slash y, that is floor division, and it gives you 0. The meaning is here, when we performed x divided by y, it was giving a quotient as 0.66 and a recurring value. When you go for the floor division, it gives you only the integer part and it truncates the fractional part of a quotient. So that is what the behavior of a floor division. Next, we are going to learn about the assignment operators supported in a Python programming language. So what are these assignment operators? The assignment operator is an operator or a symbol that assigns a value to a Python variables. And the assignment operators as follows. The first and foremost is assignment. The second is addition assignment. The third is subtraction assignment. Next is multiplication assignment. Next is division assignment and the modulus assignment. So these are the assignment operators supported in a Python programming language, and you can see the different type of expressions given as an example, and you can execute these expressions to determine the working of these assignment operators. Now let us assign a value x equal to 5. Now the value 5 will be assigned to the variable x, and you can see the content of variable x by using a print function. So now x has a value 5 that is assigned to a variable. Next, you have a addition assignment where you can perform an equation like this: x plus equal to first and foremost, let us assign the value y equal to 3. Now I'll go for addition assignment x plus equal to y. Here what happens, the x value, what is the x value? 5. 5 will be added to the y value 3, and the total value will be added back to the assigned back to the first variable x. And when you see the content of an x, it is 8, no more 5. 5 is updated to 8 because of an expression x plus is equal to y, or you can also use x equal to x plus y. The next assignment operator we have subtraction assignment. Let us consider the same variables x equal to 5 and y equal to 3. Now if I use an expression x minus equal to y, now what happens here, it subtracts the y value from a x value, and the result will be stored back to the variable x using a subtraction assignment operator. And if you want to see the value, you can use a print function and it will show the value. The previous value of x was 8, and now the y value is subtracted, that is 8 minus 3. You are going to get a value as 5 as an answer. The same way, the Python supports a multiplication assignment operator, and when you use this expression x equal to x into y, or you can use x into equal to y, that will multiply the y value with the x, and it stores back, assigns back the result to the x variable. And if you want to see the value assigned after expression evaluation, use the print function, pass the x variable. Now you can see 3 5s are 15. Answer is stored back to the x variable, and you can see the content by printing the function. The next you have a division assignment where you can perform the division x divided by y, and that value, the quotient value, will be stored back to the x after evaluation of x division by y. Now if you want to see the result that is stored in a x variable, use the print function, and you can see 5.0. That is, y is 3, x is 5. I mean x is 15 and y is 3, so 3 5s are 15. So 5 will become the quotient. The same way, if you want to extract the remainder of the division operation, you can use x equal to x percentage y, and this modulus assignment gives you the remainder as an answer, and that remainder result is stored in a x variable. You can use a print function and pass a variable name x, and you can see the remainder, that is the remainder of 10 is 2. So This is how your assignment operator works in a Python programming language. Thank you viewers for watching the video.